And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create lamb shoulder blade chops. Lamb chops. This is from the shoulder blade. And this particular one, I like it because this one was raised without antibiotics, no added hormones, very healthy. And I'm going to keep it simple. Just a little bit of salt, or whatever amount you want. Sea salt from me. I got my own salt that I order. Going to turn it on. Oh, look at this. I'm going to make it delicious. Very delicious. And here's the thing. I don't want this baby to the salt to start draining that. So I'm going to cook it very fast before that start happening. Very, very fast. Otherwise, I'm going to have to leave it out for 30 minutes, room temperature, so it can go to the reverse process. Oil. I got some flour. Extra virgin olive oil would do too. You don't have to put a lot. I just put sufficient. These are medium high. I want this cast iron, 86 years old, to distribute the heat and do his magic, right? Oh. And I don't want this stuff raw. I really want it cooked somewhat nicely. I don't want this bloody stuff too much, I want it to keep it nice. I'll put a little bit more salt. And this side, I say, from one side, let's do about 2, maybe 3 minutes. About 2 or 3 minutes later, flip. Let me add a little bit of butter. Let that butter melt. And as I do that, I'm going to do something very simple. I'm going to add some garlic. Mince it on top. You don't go crazy, just a little bit. Ah, smells delicious. And then what you're going to do is add a couple of rosemary. You want those aromatics, and sometimes thyme. And then you see that butter and other kind of stuff. Get a little spoon and put some on top, okay? You're going to do this for about 3 minutes, okay? If you have some fresh mint, make sure that you clean it from the stems. Take the stuff out. And now is a good time to start chopping this baby finely. Very thin. Because all you need is some white vinegar, maybe some sugar, and you can make your own mint sauce, okay? But chop it well. This is not the purpose of this recipe. You can buy it made already. But I wanted to make sure you understood you can make your own. And just chop them very finely. And mix it up with some white vinegar. Maybe some sugar. And bingo, okay? Bingo.